cash out on Coinbase, follow these steps. Log into Coinbase. Access your Coinbase account using your credentials through the website or mobile app. Navigate to Portfolio. In the Coinbase dashboard, click on the Portfolio tab to view your holdings. Select the asset to sell. Choose the cryptocurrency or asset you want to sell or cash out. Click Sell. Once on the asset page, click on the Sell button. Enter amount. Specify the amount of the cryptocurrency you want to sell or the amount in your local currency you wish to cash out. Choose wallet. Select the Coinbase wallet to which you want the proceeds deposited. Review and confirm. Double check all the details, including the selling amount and destination wallet. Confirm the sale. Payment method. Choose your preferred payment method for receiving the funds, such as a linked bank account. Complete transaction. Follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Coinbase will initiate the sale and the funds will be credited to your chosen payment method. Check account. Verify that the funds are deposited into your linked bank account.